starting. Okay, so we're gonna start freestyle. You go up. You do what? Go up.
I don't want to just sit here.
No, you move. You move. You can go around. You can stand up and move. Oh, we got Bigfoot going for the backflip. Boom! Backflip. Bigfoot lands it. He's jumping. He's going for the busted spot.
Okay?
Why did you do that? Get out here, chopper. Okay, so you got it. He's doing well. He's going for another backflip. He does not land it.
Should we be playing Plants vs. Zombies?
No, but you're playing Plants vs. Zombies.
Okay. Well,
Wait.
I want to play it. Okay.
Just get the camera. Okay,
All I'm doing is sitting here.
no, you can move. You can go over here.
No, I'm talking about I don't want to be videoing. I want to do all the fun stuff.
Now the next part you're gonna be in. Mega Rex going for the sharp turn. Boom! He goes for a jump and he does not land it. He'll be going to the next round. This is Sully's driver. He drives.
Wait, what?
These trucks. You drive these two.
Okay, fine.
Drive them over here. Yeah? Did
He's going for it.
Go quick. Just go. Just do Plants vs. Zombies.
Okay. No, we're not going to do Plants vs.
I
Zombies.
wanted to. That's the whole point. I wanted to.
And he destroys the cone.
Man, no, you gotta wait until he falls.
Okay, fine.
Or you have to be the cameraman for the rest of the video. Great, he knocks the cone. No, you just let it go. Boom. That's out for Soldier Fortune Black Ops. Now for Black Edition Outdoor Local, joined by Sully Osborne. Sully Osborne.
What?
Drive El Toro Loco.
Oh.
Why is there a PVZ player? I'm not going to keep you in here, PVZ. Get out of here.
And he goes on the globe.
What the fuck?
Slide it down.
Just drop him.
And he's dead.
Out through the ground.
So, now you have to be the cameraman. Okay. Next driver. Skibidi-bidi. You got show it. Oh, Scooby-Doo has failed. You failed. Scooby-Doo failed. Next driver.
And then it's an impact of zombies.
Get out here. Stop it. Stop.
I just want to do a Plants vs. Zombies thing. How about I can make one at my house?
Yeah, you make one. You edit.
Okay, this is like
Oh, backflip. He does a
backflip.
Zombie,
Wow.
where is it? Oh, he's going over the crush car.
Whoa. Making
Yeah,
it.
front flip. He's on his 2 wheels.
2 wheels.
Zombie now is out.
Wheelies. Okay. Now I get a judgment.
Okay, evil penguins now. A thing to hit.
Yeah. Okay, there.
Okay, just try choose the truck to drive, Sully.
No, this is one of the obstacles now.
Okay, let me just scoot him over. Okay, so get your truck.
Me?
Here's some trucks over here. He's out.
Wolverine.
Wolverine, just start ready. No, he can't go up in the air. You just gotta do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you gotta do the same thing.
No, he can on this one. You made him do a backflip.
Mommy, I just tell you something.
Yeah.
Your toy toys are still in my room.
Okay. Wait!
He's losing control.
Marjorie,
Knocking down the evil penguin and running over him.
Wolverine's out! Wolverine's out! Wolverine's out!
And she just.
By the way, if you wonder why there's dominoes, it's not actually that weird. Okay, we are back to go. Choose, Sully, choose your next truck. Let's go over to the choices area. We got, I see Shiny Max D. Shiny Max D it is. Hey, Mom, can you help edit this video?
Yeah, Daddy will have to do it when he gets home.
No, you're not leaving.
I am.
No, you're not yet. Gotta clean up.
Let's pull up first.
By the way, here's some trucks that I really haven't. You guys might have wanted to see. We got Barbarian right here, guys. Then
Get the evil penguin.
we got a freestyle Monster Jam truck. Monster Mutt, he wasn't in this video. Here's one of our trucks. We got Zombie was in the video. This truck, see his face. We got El Loco right here. We got an emergency truck. So long. Fit him in the video. We got Avenger of the Flag series. Carolina Crusher was on this video preview. We got Team Hot Wheels Firestorm was one truck that was in this video. Black El Toro Loco X-Ray wise. We got Scooby Doo was one, which is this video. He's right here. Then Wolverine was in the video. You see that truck. Boom, there it is. It's the label of my truck. Driven by that truck driver. So I put